Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, they said, O Zulqarnain, undoubtedly Gog and Magog create mischief in the earth. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and they ask you about Zulqarnain. Say, I recite to you an account of him. Undoubtedly, we gave him a control in the earth and bestowed him a means of everything. Then he followed away, till when he reached the place of sunsetting, he found in a spring of black mud, and he found a people there. We said, O Zulqarnain, either you punish them or do good with them. He submitted, as one who did injustice, we shall punish him soon. Then he will be returned towards his Lord. He will strike him with an evil striking. And one who believed and did good deeds, then the recompense for him is good, and soon we shall speak to him easy affair. Again he followed away, until when he reached the place of sunrising, he found it rising on a people for whom we had not put any shelter against the sun. So is the talk, and whatever he said, our knowledge encompasses all. Again he followed away, until when he reached between the two mountains, he found inside them some such people who deemed not to understand any word. They said, O Zulqarnain, undoubtedly Yajuj Gog and Majuj Magog create mischief in the earth. Should we then fix some tribute for you, on the condition that you may set up a wall between us and them? He said, that upon which my Lord has given me control is better. Then help me with strength. I may make a strong barrier between you and them. Bring to me the pieces of iron. Till when he leveled the wall up to the sides of the two mountains, he said, blow. Till when he made it a fire, said he, bring me that I may pour molten copper on it. Surah Al-Kahf, verse 85 to 96. Its singular is zabra, a piece of iron, till when he leveled the wall up to the sides of two mountains. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Sadafain and Saddain means two mountains. Kharaja means wedges. The Holy Quran says, blow till when he made it a fire. Said he, bring me that I may pour molten copper on it. It is said, iron, and it is also said, brass. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, it means copper. So Yajuj and Majuj could not climb over it. Istata has base. Ata'at istafal means I follow him. That's why istata yastati has upper diacritic mark vowel A. Some people say it is istata yastatiya, and they could not make a hole in it. He said, this is a mercy from my Lord. Then when the promise of my Lord will come, he will break it into pieces. He will demolish it. Dakkan means a she-camel without a hump. Dakdak means the land that is level and hard. And the promise of Lord is ever true. And on that day we shall leave them, that one group of them will surge over the other, until when Yajuj and Majuj would be let loose, and they will be coming down from every height. Hazrat Qatada said, Hadaba means height. A man submitted to the Prophet ﷺ, I have seen that wall. That is just like a stripped sheet. He ﷺ said, you have really seen it? Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Jaish, says, one day Allah's Apostle ﷺ came to me, embarrassed, and said, there is no worthy of worship except Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Woe unto the Arabs from a nuisance approaching nearer. Gog Magog have made an opening in the wall to such and such an extent. Then he displayed it by making a circle with his index finger and the thumb. Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Jaish radiyallahu anhu, says that she submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, shall we get perished, whereas there are pious people amongst us? He ﷺ said, yes, it will happen, when the debauchery will excessively increase. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3346.